The sixth seal in Revelation chapter 6 opens with a great earthquake.
The fifth seal. So the fifth seal is ending, and in the horizon, we're seeing the sixth seal open up. Now look what it says. And I beheld when he had opened the what seal? Sixth seal. And lo, there was a great earthquake. My Bible students here, when was the great earthquake? 1755. Do you see the time frame, right? It doesn't say an earthquake. What does it say? Great earthquake. So that's the Lisbon earthquake of Portugal.
Truth provided remnant, like, subscribe, and share.